So behind me, you can see we've got the hull fully shrouded. This was protected during some of the painting operations. Most of the painting is now done. So what we're waiting for now is the final hydrostatic test to prove that the system is completely watertight and ready to go in the water. After that, the final layers of coating will go on, coloring the hull yellow, the draft marks added, and then it's ready to go in the water. After completion of the hull comes some of the more critical stages of the project. The hull will be lifted into the water and then towed from the quayside all the way to PLOTEC down in the south. When it's at PLOTEC, it'll be hooked up to the 3 mooring chains that are going to hold it in position for the next couple of months. And then after that's complete, we'll start to install the riser. This whole operation is going to take around 2 weeks at most, including all the anchor installation. But we're scheduled for that mid-November.